In this video, I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of how to use doTERRA Passion, a blend of essential oils for inspiration, boredom, apathy, emotional energy, and you guessed it, passion. Hey boss lady, I'm Tara Wagner, your breakthrough coach, and we're going to dive deep into an oil called doTERRA Passion. This is an oil that I use to help my clients when they are feeling uninspired, bored, discouraged, or just losing that passion for what they do. So I'm going to give you a little bit of background on the oil as well as some of the physical uses of it. Then we're going to dive into the emotional uses, and be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to share some recipes as well as affirmations to really be able to get the biggest bang for your buck when you're using this oil to help you crush your goals, not your soul. First, a little bit about this oil. It is called the Inspiring Blend. It is a blend of essential oils specifically for inspiration, but there's a lot more to it than that, obviously. This is mostly spice oils, and even in the 5 ml, it comes pre-diluted. The ingredients are fractionated coconut oil, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, clove, sandalwood, jasmine, vanilla bean extract, and damiana. Damn that Iana. I like that one. It just smells sensual. You've got the option of a 5 ml. Again, already pre-diluted for you, but you can still put this in your diffuser or into a roller bottle. So you've got a few more options with it. Or you can go straight to the 10 ml. This is diluted even further so that you can be using this on a daily basis without any fear of irritation. In terms of precautions for this oil, the standard stuff applies, so don't put it in your ears, eyes, nose. Be careful of sensitive areas. And I also want to say, because of the cinnamon in this oil, you do want to watch your blood sugar levels if that's already a concern for you, because that may adjust some of what you're doing. This blend really was designed to be an emotional blend, but you still have physical properties of all of these oils. So I'm going to take you through some of those so you can see if this oil can maybe do more than one thing for you. But for starters, this is an oil that's going to be great for digestion or elimination. And the reason for that is the cardamom and the ginger in here. It's also great for immune support. So you've got the cinnamon and clove, which is going to help to boost the immune system. These two things make it really great for seasonal stomach bugs. You've also got ginger and cinnamon in here, which is great for circulation. You can add this to a massage it into the feet and hands. And because of the cinnamon, the sandalwood, the jasmine, and the damiana, it's really good for libido. Like, really good, ladies. Like really good. That alone deserves a thumbs up on this video, right? Yes it does. So when you are using passion for physical uses, you want to dilute and apply this to the area of concern. When we're talking about libido, you want to apply it close to the area of concern, but not quite. Drop me a comment below and let me know if I have missed any other physical uses for doTERRA's passion. Passion. Now we're going to jump into the emotional uses of this blend. Now obviously this was created to be a blend of essential oils for inspiration. That means that if you have lost your passion, if you're feeling bored, dull, tired, if things have just lost their oomph, this is going to be an oil that you can start using on a daily basis to tap back into that emotional energy. You can use this over your pulse points, over your energy centers. It's going to help you to also tap into a sense of vitality, a sense of excitement, a sense of physical energy as well as emotional energy. And then obviously passion, right? It's all about the passion. It's another word for passion. Enthusiasm, vigor, fire, spirit, desire, lust, mania. So this is a really great blend for inspiration and creativity. Now last week I talked about cheer essential oil for creativity and for abundance, but this one is a little bit different. This will help you to feel that sense of playfulness and spontaneity, but it's really about getting into your body and getting out of your head and allowing you to take some risks, whether that's with your work, with your art, maybe in your relationships, to kind of just get into it and engage with it and play with it and feel that passion and energy and vibrancy for what you're doing. All of these things make doTERRA's passion really helpful when you are dealing with things like tension or fear, self-doubt, overthinking, writer's block, creative blocks, feeling rejection from others, or self-rejection. This is an oil that's going to allow you to connect to yourself in a really lovely, sexy, sensual, self-approving way. So while cheer might bring in that joy and that fun in a playful, almost childlike way, passion is really going to allow you to embody yourself, who you are, and bring that joy and fun in that way. So how do you apply essential oils for passion, for inspiration? Where do you put it? What do you do with it? Well, I recommend that you diffuse it, first of all. You can do this while you're working. You can do this at night, when you're going to bed, when you're getting frisky. You can also apply this topically to your pulse points, to any of your energy centers, or like I said before, near your energy centers like your root chakra. You might want to just go nearby it and not too close. Leave me a comment below and let me know where you can see yourself needing or wanting more passion in your life. As you do that, I'm going to get into some recipes and some affirmations to kick this up a notch. This first recipe is a roller bottle recipe for self-love and self-approval. In a 15 ml roller, you're going to add 8 drops of passion and 15 drops of bergamot. Bergamot is the oil of self-acceptance, and it is one of my favorite oils. It's an oil that I think every single woman needs to be working with, at least initially, because most of us, at the core of what we're dealing with, any struggles that we might be dealing with, there is at least a shred of our own self-denial or our own struggle with who we are, not feeling good enough. Women especially have been conditioned to never feel good enough. So bergamot is an oil that I love to use, and I love to use it with passion because passion has those sensual oils that connect you to your body. Bergamot is going to bring in that emotional connection to just love yourself, love your body, love who you are, love the skin you're in, love what you do. All of it. It's just juicy. This is such an amazing blend. What I recommend with this one is that you're applying it to your pulse points, but do be careful because bergamot is photosensitive for up to 3 days. So if you're using this one topically and you're going out in the sun, that's going to cause some issues. So use this over your solar plexus or anywhere where the sun is not going to be hitting that area. This next blend is a diffuser recipe called passion fruit. This is 3 drops of grapefruit and 3 drops of passion. Grapefruit is also about self-acceptance, but grapefruit tends to be more focused on the physical body. It's especially good if you are struggling with your shape and your size, if you are struggling to love and appreciate and approve of your body as it is. And even though you may want to make some changes to it, that's okay. We still have to start from a place of love. Was it Carl Rogers, I believe, that said the curious paradox is when I accept myself just as I am, then I can change. This is what that oil is going to help you to do. It's going to help you to just love this body and appreciate this body, connect to it fully so that you can show up in a completely different way in your life or your business, doesn't matter. We really need to be connected to who we are on both a spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical level, being fully present in our bodies and in ourselves. The 2 of these oils together can remind us to get up, to move, and to not take ourselves too seriously. Now I want to go through some affirmations that are going to help you to really take in these messages and these lessons that these oils are able to impart to you. I choose to deeply and completely love, cherish, and appreciate my body. I'm thankful for the gifts my body has given me. It is safe to be seen, celebrated, and enjoyed. Why is my life so fun, playful, and full of passion? I am inspired by the simple pleasures of life. Creative, spontaneous, and exciting things are always falling in my lap. How do I keep finding so much passion for the work I do? doTERRA Passion is one of my favorite blends of essential oils for inspiration. It is also one of my top 10 recommendations, especially for female entrepreneurs.